Hey guys, Trey Llewellyn here for Unstoppable Core, week number 18. Let's write that up here real quick so we don't forget. All right. So what I want to walk through here real quick is basically how a funnel is currently working, but what we're going to talk about is upsells and downsells, but how we're putting them and how we're merging them into one versus making them 2 pages and 3 pages and 4. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we have our regular order form, okay? So this is our order form. And then more than likely, they go to a different page, which is OTO1, which stands for upsell or one-time offer, super simple. And then normally what you'll do is you'll keep continuing on to another upsell. All right, so this might be OTO2, which is upsell number 2 or one-time offer number 2. All right, and then we go to our thank you page. Okay, and then you're like, oh, you know what? This is a $97 package. If they don't grab that, maybe I'll sell it to them for half. And so what you do is you do a downsell. Okay, so if they say no, I want to go to a downsell. And then after they say no or yes, then they come back up here. They go right here, boop, and come back. So maybe this is like for $47, okay? Here's what you'll notice over time is when you're really tracking your funnels, especially in ClickFunnels or whatnot, that's what we use, okay? What you'll notice is when 100 people come through here, 100 people do not exit. All right, how many of you guys have noticed that? Right, have you looked at your guys' numbers yet? When you have an order, like I got 100 orders, but then I'm looking at the thank you page of how many people visited the thank you page, and it's not 100. Usually it's like 60, which means I'm losing people in here. Well, what you'll notice is you lose people every time they go to another page. Every time they go to another page. So maybe their internet goes out, maybe they just get too busy, maybe they're like, you know what, there's too many upsells, I'm exiting out, I don't even want to do this anymore. So it's a lot of things. Maybe their phone rings, they're on their phone and they just exit out. So not everybody's getting to the thank you page. But what that also means is they're not seeing these other pages. They're not seeing your downsell page, they're not seeing your upsell page. And everyone acts as a separate page. So we have one page here, the second page here, the third page here, the fourth page here, the fifth page here. So what I said is, okay, well, we know this is a problem, right? This is obviously something that's happening in our funnels. So right now it's all kind of spread out. But what I'm seeing is not really any way to kind of merge those in together. So we really had to start putting a plan together of how we could start moving this guy into this, right? How do we start merging these into one? Well, luckily with ClickFunnels, we found a way. So here's exactly what we did. Is we have our order form, okay? So that stays the same. And what we did, this is really great, is we have our upsell page, okay? So we have this one-time offer. It's the upsell page, OTO1. And we give them the price or whatnot, so they know it's $97. And as you guys know, you'll put a yes link or a yes button here, or you'll put a no. Okay, so when they choose that no, obviously it goes to the downsell page. ClickFunnels is smart enough for that. When they click the yes page, it goes on to the OTO2. That's how it's programmed. But there's one piece in here where we can add, and it's already built in, and it's the pop-up. So what we started doing was we started using to our benefit the pop-up. So there's a little tab up there at the top where you have this little pop-up. Usually it's when people exit the screen or go away or try to, and you can use that to your benefit. Well, what we started doing, watch this, is we started doing this. We started creating our yes link. So no matter when they click yes, they go straight on, past go, right? Straight on to our next OTO2. If they hit no, instead of, so we took this over, we took this no button over. So instead of saying no link, no dash link, right, which makes ClickFunnels go to the next downsell page or to the OTO, whichever's next in line, what we started doing is we said, you know what, we want to have this open the pop-up. So when they click no, I don't want this offer, or they take their mouse and they start to leave the page, we also opened the pop-up. So we're looking at 2 different effects here. So no button or the mouse button, when that happens, we did a command that says hashtag, I think it's like open _ pop-up or something like that. Not really for sure, I think that's close. And boop, this little pop-up button comes on. Well, as you guys also know, you can have 2 products inside each funnel step. So we have one product here for $97. So that would be, in your case, yes-link, right? That's how it's programmed. That would purchase the 97. But when they hit this no, it automatically whoop, pops this up, which is still in the same page. They haven't left the page. You don't lose the user. They don't go anywhere. It just comes up. It's a little pop-up. It grays this out in the background. And it says, hey, wait, real quick. I know you can't afford, maybe you just can't afford $97, maybe you don't see the value in it, but what we do is we see the value and we want to do 2 payments of $47, or maybe we want to do, let you just in for half price, right? Get half off right now, right? Make an executive decision and get it for $47. And then on here, again, is our yes button. So yes, I want this, or our no button. And this is the no button where we're putting the no-link, which makes it go to OTO2. Right here is our yes button, and this is for your product number 2. So you had 2 products in there the whole time. Product number 1 was for $97. The second product was for $47, but they don't even see this. They don't even know that this exists until they hit the no button, or they're like, you know what, I just want to back out right now, and I start to exit. That is going to save you guys this. So now what we're seeing is we're going from 60% to a 75 to 80% hit the thank you page. Because what we're doing is we're merging the funnel into a 1-page, 2-page sequence versus a 4 to 5 page, okay? Does that make sense? Are you guys seeing the value here? What we're doing is we're looking for your comments. Guys, we're putting out this great information for you, but what the biggest thing is for this to work, you need to go implement it. But we want to hear how it's working. So below this video, we have comments, Facebook comments where you can type in, tell us what you thought. Did you get anything out of this video? What did you think about it? How are you going to go take this and put it into your business? I would love to hear those thoughts. And then what we're doing is each week we're picking a winner, each month we're picking a winner from those Facebook comments, and they're going to win a full year subscription to the Trade Llewellyn Masterclass. So go ahead, put a comment below this video in the Facebooks, and man, I can't wait to see what you guys have to offer when it comes to doing this. All right? Thanks for watching this week's number 18 Unstoppable Core. I look forward to seeing you on next week's Unstoppable Core.